Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. The could not find or load main class error in Java is a common issue that occurs when the Java Virtual Machine, JVM, cannot locate the specified main class. This can happen due to various reasons such as incorrect class path settings, misspellings, or issues with the Java installation. Below is a detailed guide to help you troubleshoot and fix this error. Step-by-step tutorial to fix could not find or load main class error. 1. Understanding the main class. In Java, the main class is the entry point of your application. It must contain a public static void main, string args, method. If the JVM cannot find this method, it will throw the error. 2. Check your Java environment. Make sure that you have Java installed correctly. You can check this by running the following commands in your terminal or command prompt. Both commands should return version information. If they do not, reinstall Java. 3. Check the class name and package. Ensure that you are using the correct class name and that it is spelled correctly. If your class is part of a package, you need to specify the fully qualified name, including the package. For example, if your class is in a package named ComExample, the class should be referenced as ComExample.yourClass. Example class asterisk. 4. Compiling the code. Make sure to compile your Java code correctly. If the class is in a package, navigate to the parent directory of the package and compile it using. This will create a hello world.class file in the com/example directory. 5. Running the code. To run the code, you need to specify the fully qualified class name and ensure that the current directory, or base directory, is in the class path. From the parent directory of the com package, run. 6. Setting the class path. If your class is located in a different directory or if you have external libraries, you might need to set the class path. You can also include multiple paths in the class path using :Linux/Mac, or Windows. 7. Check for jar files. If you are executing from a jar file, ensure that your manifest file, manifest.mf, correctly specifies the main class attribute. The manifest file should look like this. You can create a jar file using the following command. Then, run it using. 8. Common issues to check. Incorrect directory. Make sure you are in the correct directory when running the Java command. File naming. Ensure that your Java file name matches the public class name exactly, case sensitive. Class not compiled. Make sure that the class has been compiled successfully and that the .class file exists. Spaces or special characters. Check for spaces or special characters in your file path, which can cause issues. Conclusion. The could not find or load main class error can be resolved by carefully checking the class name, package structure, compilation process, and class path settings. By following the steps outlined above, you should be able to identify and fix the issue effectively. Example summary. Here's a complete example that demonstrates the process. 1. Create a file named helloworld.java in the com/example directory. 2. Compile it. 3. Run the program. Following these steps should help you resolve the could not find or load main class error in Java.